Hey guys, it's Billy here, and today my $1,000 dog showed up and my $1 dog, so we're gonna see the quality. Okay guys, so I got the $1,000 dog in here. I'm gonna open it up and see. Okay guys, so right here we got our dog. It doesn't sound very cheap. And you gotta make sure that you gotta open it up very easily. Like, you don't want to hurt the dog. So I'm gonna open this up. It's not working. Let me get a knife. Okay, I got the knife. Be right back when I open it up. Alright, I got it open. Oh, hello! This is the $1,000 dog. Alexa, give me a kiss. Flawless voice recognition. Alexa, go fetch. I don't know. He just looks like he doesn't know where she is. Maybe she got scared. Alright, let's get the $1 dog. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, feels cheap. Alright, here we go. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. This dog has no clue where he is. No idea. Alexa, give me a kiss. Nothing. Can I rub your belly? He has no idea where he is. Well, look at him. He's poorly made. This feels like crap. Look at this. He has no idea where he is. Alexa, give me a kiss. He has no idea. Let's see what happens when we try to get the two units to sync up. Wow, nothing. Well, don't try to mate these two. It's not gonna work. Yeah, I'm gonna send the $10,000 one back because I want my money back. So,